Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. This video is about a good tip for getting a frozen nipple off of a water heater. So you can see here I've got a torch put on it. So that's propane torch. I'm heating up the pipe right here. So getting the pipe really hot. I could not get the nipple off with a wrench. I was basically crushing it. So when that happens, I get the torch out and put a little bit of heat on it to try and break that seal. So that's what I'm doing right here. So this water heater had a leak. You could see where the water ran down the side of the water heater there, and that's why they got rid of it. So it was leaking at the connection point with the supply line. So what I want to do is test this water heater, and in order to do that I want to remove this nipple off of here, and it's fighting me. So just putting the flame on it right here. All right, we're all finished. Putting the wrench on it right now. And it takes a little bit of force, but I'm able to break it free. So I'm getting some movement on it. And that would have never happened without all that heat. So if you ever find yourself in a situation where you have to change the nipple on a water heater, and you're in a position to do so and you have it, use heat to try and loosen up that frozen connection, and you can get that nipple off of there. I've actually already done the hydrostatic pressure test on this water heater, and it turned out to be good. So this is definitely a water heater that I will be selling. I've got a guy that's looking for a 30-gallon. It's pretty rough. There's a lot of rust at the bottom, but the tank is in good shape. So I actually pressure tested it twice at about 250 psi, and I leave it connected for about 2 hours and see if it drops any pressure, and it lost no pressure at all. So really appreciate you watching this video. Hope that this tip might help you out. You can see I'm still trying to get the, there's an anode rod on this particular nipple. It's a Bradford White. So there I'm able to get it free. And consider subscribing to the channel for more tips and tricks. Have a good day.